Do you still think post-processing can fix all your drone LiDAR data issues? Think again. In this video, I'm going to share 5 essential pro tips that will ensure you can collect good LiDAR data from the first time and you don't have to rely on any post-processing miracles. The key to good results starts here. In the drone industry, you can't have good output if you don't have good input. If you want to take flight planning seriously, planning flights on the RC is not an option, especially if you're flying over challenging terrain. Pre-planning flights on the desktop allows you to meticulously prepare everything on the big screen from the comfort of your home or office before heading out into the field. The fewer mistakes are made on the stage of flight planning, the better the result will be. So take your time and get familiar with the software that you are using to make sure you feel like home when you open it. Although just taking care of the flight planning alone is not enough. You also need to take into consideration the terrain you're flying over. Using an accurate digital elevation model, or DEM, is the key to getting good results from your drone surveys. Not only does it affect flight safety when flying over rough terrain, a correct DEM will ensure correct ground sampling distance, GSD, and overlap between images and LiDAR data. Out of the box, UgCS already comes with default elevation data, which is sufficient for most pilots. But you can also easily upload terrain data from other sources to improve the accuracy of your flights. Usually, each country has its own source for good terrain elevation data. If you are from the United States, then you can visit United States Geological Survey site, link down in the description. The Inertial Measurement Unit, or the IMU, is one of key components of drone LiDAR systems. In simple terms, its purpose is to ensure that the drone's movements during the flight are compensated for in the resulting data. So, a well-calibrated IMU is critical to ensuring good resulting data. While you can calibrate the IMU manually, it's better to automate it to make things easier for you and ensure consistency. The most common way to calibrate it is by including an automated figure-8 calibration pattern at the start and at the end of each route within software like UgCS. This is the recommended way to calibrate LiDARs made by Yellowscan, Regal, and other manufacturers. For DJI L1 and L2 LiDARs, UgCS automatically places back and forth calibration segments, same as it happens in DJI Pilot 2 app. The quality of LiDAR data is greatly affected by how the drone corners. It's important to avoid shaking the sensor as much as possible while following the trajectory. So for normal turns, it's not a problem. However, for tighter turns, where the drone has to slow down and speed up again, this can cause a loss in data quality. And this is where loop turns come in. By doing a loop outside the normal trajectory, the drone can take the corner more smoothly while still capturing good data. After completing the mission, take the time to review everything. What went wrong and what could be improved. This debrief is essential for refining your process and ensuring your next mission is even more successful. Also, consider scalability. If you plan to take on similar projects in the future, how can you streamline your setup? This could allow you to save time and resources in the future. And if you want a future-proof flight planning solution with all the tools mentioned here today, then you can visit our website to take a free 14-day trial of UgCS software and learn more about all the amazing flight planning tools that it offers. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss any important updates and new content we have coming up. So, see you in the next one. Bye.